Hello! Time has come. It's the last of the Zodiac series. This chair, honestly, you can probably hear it squeaking, sorry. This is it. This is the final Zodiac sign to do. I'm emotional, which fits in because we're doing Pisces today. This is the last sign of the Zodiac, obviously, and I've been crying about it for like a week. But we're here to have a great time as always. Of course, Pisces, they are the fish. That's what we've gone for. We've gone very blue, very aqua. Yeah. Even my, oh my god, even my nails are blue. I even put a sea green sweatshirt. I've put effort in today. Except for my hair, I didn't brush my hair, so I mean, I tried. Today's tutorial is obviously going to be on this look, so I hope you enjoy it. If you are a Pisces, let me know. I love Pisces, by the way, so if you're hiding out there and you're a Pisces, let me know, because I'll love you. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, have a little chat with me about the Pisces when we get onto the face, like I always do, then subscribe if you want to. If you don't, then today I will actually cry because Pisces are very sensitive, so we're gonna channel that. I'm joking, it's fine. Give the video a thumbs up as well though, and thanks for watching this series. Hope we've all enjoyed it, and I'll shut up now and we will get on with the video. So, Pisces time. I am emotional right now for this tutorial. It is obviously the last of the Zodiacs. We've gone blue. We've dedicated blue to Pisces because they deserve it. They are the most blue sign of all signs. We're going with this vibe and I think it's super cute. So I'm just going to do what I've been doing in literally all 11 of these videos. I'm just going to show you what I'm using for the eyes, and we're just going to breeze through the eyeshadow super quickly so I don't have to talk through it, and then when we get onto the face we will have a chat about Pisces and we will talk about why I like them. Okay, I do. I love Pisces, okay? Enjoy the eyeshadow part of the video. I'm using the Zodiac palette from Colourpop. It's actually really easy. I use 3 eyeshadows. That's all you need to do this look. So 3 eyeshadows and some blue eyeliners as well. So yeah, enjoy this part. So it's time to do the face. So I hope we like the eyes. If you're a Pisces and you like this eye look, then I'm hoping, well, I hope you do like it. And if you aren't a Pisces, I hope you like it anyway. So we'll start chatting about Pisces as well in a second. For face primer, I thought we'd go with this guy. This is the Barry Unicorn Primer Drops. I thought we'll go with this because Pisces are dreamy people. They're dreamers. They are always in their own little world, and I thought that this primer is kind of like that, you know, it's a unicorn vibe thing. I don't know, that was my logic for using this. It's also a very good face primer. I love it. It smells great as well. Pisces for me is an easy sign to talk about because I know quite a lot of Pisces, to be fair. I have 3/4 Pisces friends and like a work colleague. I don't really know. I'd say I have like 3 Pisces friends. 2 of them are boys as well, so I feel like I know Pisces boys. I know both genders, so I feel like I can give a good, you know, review on Pisces or like my opinion on them. Overall, I really like Pisces. Of course, I'm going to be biased because I like my water signs. I'm a water sign, as we know. I like the sensitivity. I like their creativity. I find them to be pretty interesting, to be fair. I think mainly it's the sensitivity, and they have a lot of compassion, I'd say. I feel like that's the best word to describe Pisces. I feel like they are really just full of compassion, and I think it's really sweet. I'm an emotional person, of course. I get that with the water sign vibes. By the way, for foundation, I'm going to use the All Night Long Stick Foundation from Barry M. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I like my Pisces. I like their sensitivity. For me, I find boys quite actually similar to like the girls, to be fair. I feel like the boys are very well, actually no, they're not, because see, this is the thing. I feel like for me they can be a bit too much sometimes, so I just have to deal with Pisces in small amounts. Sometimes I kind of like Sagittarius is for me. Sometimes I have to have a break from them sometimes, but like not in like a super bad way. I just think sometimes, again, I feel like there are two like different types of Pisces. I feel like there's the Pisces that are like super sensitive, which, you know, I can be on board with that. I can understand the sensitivity side of Pisces because I'm a Cancer, obviously, so we're pretty empathetic, I feel, and like we're good with feelings and shit, you know. So I feel like I can deal with sensitivity, but I feel like sometimes you can get too, you know, overly sensitive people sometimes, and you know, that's not necessarily just Pisces. I just struggle with sometimes. I feel like there's overly sensitive Pisces that are very paranoid as well, and very conscious about life, but then I feel like there's the very strong-willed, tough, bad bitch Pisces as well. I feel like it's kind of the same with boys as well. You either have quiet or loud Pisces, and for me what I find funny is I know a boy and a girl Pisces that are like the quiet ones, and then I also know another boy and a girl that are like the loud, more out there Pisces. But for me overall, I do really love them. I literally just said this a second ago, but I love the sensitivity, and like they're kind of known for being like empaths, really good with like reading emotions and stuff like that. So that, I think for me, that's why I really like them, because obviously I'm a Cancer, so I think Cancer and Pisces are like a good match as well. Like I'd date a Pisces boy for sure. I feel like they're so sweet. Okay, so concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I haven't used this. I feel like with my concealers I get like stuck just using like my faves and then don't use any others. Gonna set that with the Milk loose powder. I'm just gonna really just set right underneath my eyes and try and just keep it there, because I want to use like a cream like highlight stick, and I know it doesn't do very well on powders, so I'm gonna try and avoid my, oh my god, I have powder smoke. I'm gonna try and avoid like putting the powder anywhere else. And I'm not really gonna do my lower lash line. I kind of like it just kind of sharp. Cream highlight. Okay, here we go. So this is the Wet Look Stick from Catrice, the Dewy Wet Look Stick, and I have tried this before. I do like it, but it's just, it doesn't do well on powders, so you cannot like powder your entire face and then use this. It is kind of glittery, but I feel like it kind of gave me Pisces vibes. Really nice. Like that is so nice. Yeah, it is kind of glittery. It's not like chunky or like thick or anything like that. That's why I feel like I can still kind of wear it. For bronzer and blush, we're keeping it very glowy and kind of soft, because like I said, I didn't want to go too heavy. So I'm going to use the Sweethearts bronzer from Too Faced. And then I'm gonna keep the same kind of theme and just use the Sweethearts blush as well. This is the Sparkling Bellini shade. I'm really liking like the whole dewy vibe. I'm obsessed, I'm here for it. So we just have lips to do now, so we're gonna go gloss. I think we're gonna go for gloss today. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Toast Lip Liner from Primark. I don't really know the name of the PSBs, I don't really know. And then I'm gonna go in with the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss in Bitter Cherry. Barely use this. Yeah, this literally smells so, it smells like sweets, like pure sugar. It kind of smells like gingerbread, but also just pure sugar. We're done. What do we think? Do we like it? Are we obsessed? Okay, my Pisces folks and my non-Pisces folks. The time has come. I feel like we've had a great time. I hope everyone who's watched their own sun signs tutorial has enjoyed their sun, your moon, whatever. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I've done everyone justice. I feel like I've done a pretty good job, to be fair. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this series. I really love doing it, so I want to do another one, but I just haven't decided what series to do because I don't know what else I love. I'll figure it out. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're Pisces, let me know. Let me know if you like this look. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Why do I feel like this is like I'm going away for like a year or something? Like I'll be back in like a day or two, so you know. Bye.